This is the book Snowmen at Night, and it is one of my favorite winter snow time stories to read to my kids and to my grandkids and my class. The Snowmen at Night is them playing at night. That why are they so droopy in the morning? Because this is all the things that they do. They have snowball fights, snow sled, and then they go back and are at their house. These are the supplies you're going to need. Those are the construction crayons. They are wonderful on construction paper. This is an 11 by 18 black construction paper. And the red, yellow, and orange, I just used some scrap paper because you're not going to need a whole paper. If you have scrap paper, use it. You could even use old book pages for this. This is going to be the houses. So you're going to cut them kind of narrow, and when you fold it down, about in thirds, you're going to fold it down. That is going to be the roof of your house. Now, after you get them all folded down, you can use, I like glue sticks, especially on paper. And this was just regular construction paper. All the links for all the supplies and the book will be in the description. So if you want to just go and buy and plan this project with your class, with your kids, everything will be there. And you just glue them. Like I said, I like using stick glue for these kind of activities because we're going to be drawing on it and you don't have to wait for it to dry. You don't get that wet glue. Those are kind of hard to color on. I decided to cut this one in half again because I wanted to put it half off the paper, like it was, there was a gap between the houses. So that is what I did here. Now, this is the fun part. This is where, if you want to you can make this as adult as you want. If, wanting to use a scrapbook paper, whatever, you could use oil pastels for this. These construction paper crayons by Crayola, the Bold and Bright. I love these to use these with my pre-K class. They color well, as you can tell, even the black, you can see the black. They color really well on construction paper. So you're going to do this. You're going to draw snowmen. What are they doing? The houses, you've got snow-covered houses, decorate the roofs. You could add chimneys if you want, put snowmen up on the roof. Whatever you want. You can refer back to the book. What are they doing? We know. What are the snowmen doing at night while everybody is asleep? If you wanted to kind of give it a Kincaid effect, you could color the windows with the yellow crayon. I didn't think of that till later, but yeah, definitely try that. Like the lights are on. We've got this little snowman here just peeking around the corner of the house. They're getting ready to go do their snowman games is what they're getting ready to go do. And using the white crayon, you could really use anything white. If you wanted to use chalk, use chalk. That'll work. The only thing with chalk is it's going to rub off unless you can spray it with a hairspray. Hairspray will keep chalk from rubbing off. But these crayons, I really do love these crayons for so many projects. This is one of my favorites to do in the wintertime when we do snow. I don't like to do snowmen during Christmas. I like to save them for January. That's snowman season as far as I'm concerned. Now we're going to do the sky. The book is Snowmen at Night. So, do your moon any way you want to. I like my, my, not really a half moon maybe. Put some stars in there and create the night. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Pick and choose. If you want a hilly background behind your trees, that would be awesome. Now, after you get all the stars in, don't forget we got to put. I've got one more snowman in there. We're gonna draw. I needed a female snowman, and she's gonna be serving some hot cocoa. Now, it kind of went out of the paper. She is going to be wearing some earmuffs. And, she's offering this guy right here, she's offering him a cup of cold cocoa to drink. So there we go. You want your picture to tell a story. What is going on? Just like in the book. If you want to reference the book for different ideas, here you go. Don't forget to put your snowflakes in. And that's it. You've made your picture. I hope you enjoy it.